The whole idea came in 2015 when I was a participant of the Singapore delegate in the ASEAN Youth Camp. Personally, myself, I get very intrigued by the whole idea where flautists come together, share music, techniques, culture, and I am thinking like one day what happens if ASEAN, where flute is a common instrument, comes together and create this exchange, this understanding, this technique sharing. And it was really exciting when I see a lot of these flautists talking to each other.
So many instruments, so many colors, so many tones that you can combine together. It is a new creative work. This is something that explores new horizons in creative music.
We have 44 musicians from the 11 participating countries. And with them all coming in with different instruments,
they express nature, they express love. These characteristics of the instruments can be explored.
It is very beautiful, and all the different countries, they come together where they will share their art form and their interest and their passion. I'm sure it will create a lot of joy. They can bring this knowledge, this information, this friendship back to them, with them, to their respective country.
To me, completing the piece is already quite rewarding, but having it played is quite enjoyable to feel. Creative music is something where you create, you invent, you explore new paths. I think I have contributed something to composition.
Today, it is really a dream come true.
This has never been done before.
With these flautists coming together, it's really a big celebration, and I look forward for the next few days, and I look forward to share this knowledge to the rest of the world.